Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am here with a very new concept. I think you haven't seen this type of equation before. So today we will study regarding this equation and I will let you know that how to solve such type of questions. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video then do share it with your friends and family. So now without any delay, let's start. See, if you are confused that I have written something wrong, then you are totally wrong. See, this is neither 4 to the power square or 2 to the power 4. Fine? This is actually 4, 2. Fine? So, this is what we call it as titration or hyperfour. Fine? So, this is what we call it, titration or hyperfour. So now in this concept, what is said is that a to the power n is equals to a to the power a to the power a to the power a to the power n minus 1. So this is the general concept. I will let you know how to solve this type of questions. But yes, I will let you know first what does this mean, what does this mean, and then we will go for this type of question so that we can clearly understand the difference between both of them. So now, what does this mean is 2 to the power 2 raised 4, that is 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the power 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It means that 2 is multiplied by 4 times. Fine? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this here we will get the required answer for this. This is 16. Fine. But when you are told to bring up big numbers, like if you are told to square and square and square, then this become very difficult. So this type on that very period we are told to, or we perform titration. So here what is done is that this is totally exponential equation, or we perform exponential equations or exponential process, but here we do totally different thing. So I will let you know how to solve this type of question. Fine. Now as I told you that n to the power a to the power n is equals to a to the power a to the power a to the power a to the power till n minus 1. So for example, let your a be 2, fine, and n be 1. So here 2 to the power 1 will give you only 2, because n minus 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 to the power 0. Fine. It means that no a will be present here. So your answer will be only 2. Now moving on to next, where a is equals to, fine. I hope it is visible, right? Or shall I? Okay, fine, it is visible. Or if you want, I can start it from beginning. But let's start from here only. So when n is 2, a is 2 and n is 2. Fine. Now, wait, let me start it again so that you can easily understand. See, as I told that a to the power n is equals to a to the power a to the power a to the power a to the power n minus 1. Fine. See, fine, this is the general concept. Now let's assume, take a is equal to 2 and n is equals to 1. Fine. We will take n is equals to 1. So our answer will be 2 to the power 1. So now we know that a, it means 2 to the power n minus 1. That will go till the extent of n minus 1. So here n minus 1 is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So there will be no any extension, and our answer will be to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Oh no, it will be, I think, 1. Yes, I think that will be 1. Yes, fine. Now when a is 2 and n is 2, fine, then it will be 2 to the power 2, fine, right? You will write it in this way. So now 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, it means only 1 power. Here, sorry, this will be not 1 but not 0 also. Here there will be no power, fine. That is not 0 but no power will be here, and here there will be 1 power. N minus 1 means only 1. So you will write 2 to the power 2. So only once you will write 2, fine. And 2 to the power 2 is 4. Now when a is 2 and n is 3, fine. So 3 and 2, fine. 2 raised 3 will give you will write, when there is 3, you will write only twice, fine. This is the main concept, fine. So here, what you will do, 2 square is 2, this 2, not this 2, this. 2 square is 4. So, this will be 2 to the power 4. This will give you 2 to the power 4. We already know that it is 16. Fine. So, this is the way of doing. I will again let you know for 4. After that, the number gets bigger and bigger. So, just to make you understand, I have done this. These terms, these are not done in our generally mathematical operation, because these are done only for bigger numbers. This gives us a very bigger and bigger answers. Like I will let you know for one example, but here you will get to know that 4 to the power 2. Fine, 4 is 2 or this. So you will write 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power 2. Fine. So here what will be your answer? 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. So here it will be 2 to the power 16. So we need to take out the answer of 2 to the power 16. So something big number will arrive here. Fine. So I hope you understood what does this mean. Now just like I told you, suppose you are told to do this, then for example you are told to do this, then that is 10 into 10. If you are told to do this, that is 10 into 10 into 10. Fine. So this won't give a very huge answer. Fine. These are totally manageable. But when it is told that 10 to the power 10 to the power 10, then answer will come in billion and million and billion. So this is what I told you, that this type of questions, when a question arrive for this or this, then the answer will come in billion, million. So that is totally not calculatable by our mind. That needs to be done with calculator, or that is totally beyond our calculation. So generally we have taken a small number so that I can make you understand. But for this, what will be your answer? Let's take 2 to the power 4. Now I think you are able to understand that what does this mean. So what does this mean? Let me know in comment box, because I also want to know that if you are attending my classes or not. So please let me know in comment box that what will be the answer of this question, and also share your views regarding how did you knew regarding this type of questions before. And yes, again, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe so that I can easily reach the number which I required for good